Hello everyone, I am Sainath, one of the faculty members of Masterminds for CA and CMA Institute. Just now you completed today's exam. Don't worry, I will not ask you how you wrote your exam. Irrespective of how you wrote the exam, stop sharing, inquiring, comparing either solutions or answers with your friends. Okay, why is this video? This video is regarding day before exam strategy for laws and ethics paper. I know that you are very busy. Just invest 10 minutes of your valuable time and you will get more returns than what you invested. So for this exam, allocate proper time to each chapter and prepare accordingly. First finish revision in ethics subject and then revise subject of law. Even though the weightage of ethics is just 10%, it is very easy to prepare, hence suggesting the same. First finish complicated or high weightage chapters in law subject and thereafter you can revise the remaining chapters. Always assume that paper will be tough. Don't expect that paper will be very easy, so that you will be ready for worst situations also. Never leave a particular chapter completely as choice. At least try to prepare past exam questions, guess questions, MTPs in the chapter. Mainly side headings for all the questions in the chapter. All of a sudden, if you get more number of marks in the chapter, even then you will not lose much marks by preparing these areas. Don't commit these mistakes while writing the exam. Utilize 15 minutes reading time very strategically. If required, take another 10 minutes. Don't even read the compulsory question, that is objective question, in the beginning itself, because it may contain tricky questions in order to trap you. Always start with simple 5 marks straight and simple theory question. So answer objective questions, practical questions, lengthy questions in the middle. Don't panic if you get lengthy or tough questions for 20 to 25 marks out of 135 marks. In such a situation, try to answer known and easy questions perfectly. Don't aim to attempt more than 85 to 90 marks, since quality is important rather than quantity. How to revise laws and ethics paper now? First, prepare following areas in all the chapters. Guess questions in all the chapters. A category questions in all the chapters that are not covered in guess questions. Prepare all sets of MTPs of this attempt as well as previous attempt that are not covered above. Amendments applicable to this attempt, especially in case of law. Quick reason notes, fast track material if you have maintained earlier. Verify the mistakes done in internal exams, especially in regional exams and all sets of pre-final exams. Now prepare following important questions in each of the chapters. We arranged the chapters in the order of priority, that is more important chapters at the beginning and less important chapters at the end. So first one, ethics and business. Here you need to prepare meaning of ethics and need of business ethics. 7 principles of public life, need of ethics and advantages and disadvantages of ethics. And thereafter Companies Act, lifting of corporate will, one person company. In one person company, so pay special attention to member concept, nominee concept and conversion concept. So conversion of OPC into other kind of company into OPC. Small company, procedure for incorporation, Section 8 company features and revocation of license for Section 8 company, clauses of MOA, alteration of MOA, doctrine of ultra-virus, shifting of register office from one state to another, shelf prospectus, red herring prospectus, issue of bonus shares, buyback of shares, issue of secured debentures, disqualifications of debenture trustees, registration of charges by company or charge holder, satisfaction of charge by ROC, notice for general meetings, especially time period and electronic mode, quorum for general meetings, voting through electronic means, inspection of minutes books, inspection of registers, annual return, applicability as well as its content, directors. In directors, appointment, dean, disqualifications, duties, removal, resignation, appointment of woman director and independent director. In independent director, so pay special attention to appointment as well as qualifications. Now it is Indian Contract Act. Essentials of valid contract, electronic contracts, doctrine of consideration, minor agreement provisions, fraud, misrepresentation, quasi-contract. In quasi-contract, you should focus mainly on finder of lost goods, contingent contract, meaning and essentials of bailment, and modes of creation of an agency relationship and circumstances where agent is personally liable. Next one, NA Act. meaning and essentials of endorsement, negotiation versus assignment, and calculating maturity date of instrument. Disorder of check, mainly penalties, promissory note versus check, bills of exchange versus check, Sale of Goods Act, essentials of contract of sale, where conditions be treated as warranty, doctrine of KV tempter, appropriation of unascertained goods, sale by non-owner, sale versus agreement to sell. Indian partnership, mode of determination of partnership, registration of partnership, expulsion of partner, rights of outgoing partner, partnership versus company. Factories Act, responsibilities of occupier, duties of certified surgeon, hazardous process, cleanliness. Gratuity Act, determination of amount of gratuity. EPF Act, mainly schemes, Provident Fund Scheme, Pension Fund Scheme, Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme. Employee State Insurance Act, Employees State Insurance Act, in that chapter, Employee State Insurance Fund, Medical Benefit Council. Payment of Bonus Act, bonus, eligibility, computation, deductions, recovery, set on and set off of allocable surplus. Minimum Wages Act, fixing and revising minimum wages, wartime wages. Payment of Wages Act, wages, limit, deductions, fines. And finally, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Act. Here you need to prepare NPS only. So Masterminds is a premier institution offering coaching from Inter, MEC or CEC to CA or CMA final with an annual admissions of nearly 20,000. Here are a few details. For the aspirants of BBA or MBA or law courses, we also offer an innovative academic program called MEC Pro. Here are the details. Here are the details of our online presence. Here are the details of our physical presence. You can directly interact with any of the directors of Masterminds. Here are the details.